Hi everyone, I wanted to quickly go over the thesis statement assignment. This is just one complete sentence you will be submitting related to the literary analysis essay that will be due in a couple of weeks. You can follow the link to look at those instructions more in detail, but also notice that I've included the stories to choose from here, as well as some thesis ideas. You're welcome to pick one of those if you like. However, what I want to call your attention to the most is this section. If your thesis needs attention, I'm going to leave you some video or written comments and reassign the assignment and ask you to resubmit it within 1 week of the original due date. So I usually grade almost daily, and so after you turn this assignment in, check back fairly quickly to see if I've asked you to revise. If I've given you points and there's no comments or a good job comment, that means there's no revision necessary. But otherwise, you're going to need to revise this and resubmit this assignment to get full credit. Notice that the rubric includes the revision and response section, and it's a large portion of the grade for this assignment that you resubmit based on my comments if need be. And these points will vary here depending on which version of the 1B class you're in. But note that you do need to do that. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope this helps.